uploading a PDF file and inserting it into your web page. In your file folder structure over here, there's a file folder called Library. Click on the plus sign in front of it. It opens up other folders within it. There's a file folder called Files. Here's where we want to store all of your PDF files that you're going to be using for your site. Right-click on the file folder, say New Item, PDF. The system title is the name of the title that you're going to be searching for, and you can only use lowercase and no special characters here. So I'm going to click inside the box and enter test. The title in this box is the actual title of the PDF file itself. And I have a hard time remembering which one I've loaded up when you're loading up multiple ones. So what I'll do is I'm going to browse over and I'm going to find my PDF file. And there's my PDF file. I'm going to choose it, say open, and it inserted it into the file down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the file name and do a Control C, and I'm going to do a Control V and paste that in there. And tidy it up a little bit. Now I have the exact same title as I do in my file. So I'm going to choose Insert, Update, Close. Over here, if you choose in our file folders, we have all of these are PDF files. In the content title, if you click on it, it will put it in alphabetical order. So we're going to scroll down just to make sure that our file is there. And there it is, CMS test. You notice it over here has a different little icon here. That means that I have checked it out, and the other ones have been checked in and moved to public. So what we're going to do is right-click on this PDF file, choose Workflow, and direct it to public. Now, we're ready to enter our PDF file into our content page. So I'm going to close that folder, go up to where the folder is that I want to insert it, which is test. I'm going to click on test, index test, right click on it, choose edit, scroll down. Here's the content where I want to bring in this PDF file. I'm going to click on the edit live, make it larger, and right here is where I want to say you can download this PDF file. So I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to go up and choose the CMS chain link, which is a Rhythmyx inline link. A search box opens here. Here is where you're going to say CMS underscore test. So remember that. If you don't remember it, it's okay. You choose down here the PDF. We know it's a PDF file, so the content type, just choose PDF. Sometimes if it doesn't find your PDF, you may have more than 100 out there, so we're going to click on unlimited, just in case we have more than 100 PDFs out there. Do a search. It didn't find it, so let's search again. Let's take this off and just choose PDF and do a search. I'm scrolling down looking for the CMS test, and I'm not seeing it. There it is, CMS test. We click on it, we scroll down, we say add, and then we close this window. In this window we scroll down and say update. Scroll down and say close. To make sure that it works properly, we're going to right click on test, say workflow, I'm at Preview page. And there's our PDF file, and it is linking over to the PDF file, and it should allow us to open it and view it. And that's how you insert a PDF file.